Take 3, day 4. The move is the wiggles. I realized during my last take that I wasn't in Pilates stance. So I figured, how am I gonna make sure that I'm in Pilates stance? Well, I turned my mat to face you. All right, so I know whether or not. Okay, so the move is the wiggles. Working our obliques. We're gonna go back. All right. Option, touch your toes, big toes, yes? You're forming a big diamond with your toes. Lifting into Pilates stance. Hello. Yes, yes. All right. You're going to wiggle to each side, elbow towards or touching your knee. All right, that's option 1. That's very difficult for me. So I'm gonna take the option probably for most of my 100 reps. All right, these are gonna go by pretty fast, gently supporting my head, neck, and shoulders, lifting my chin over. Yes, that giant peach, it's still here. We're still in season. Yes, side to side, wiggle. Now, you notice, yes, you see me. Yes, I see you. All right, ready? All right, I've done enough of these. All right, for today, here we go. Pick your position. If you're doing elevated legs, big toes touch only, not your whole foot. And 2, and 3, and 4, 6, and 7, and 8, and 9. Hello, that's 10. Woo! 11. Make sure there's space. And 12, and 13, and 14. You're in Pilates stance if you want. Woo! Right here is 20, 21, 22, I don't know, 23 maybe, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, I feel my form, 30, going to crack, take a deep breath, 31, 32, when you feel your form is going, take a break. Woo! 38, 39, and 40, and 41, 42. I actually just thought of another way to do this. And maybe a couple more. And we're going to be at our halfway point. Eyes up. Okay. All right. I just thought of a new way to do this. Hey, look. One arm right here is 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. I like this better. And 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 12, and 13, 14. 15, I don't like this as much, and 16, and 17, 18, 19, and 20. I need another break. Woo. All right, right here, 10, 9, 8, and 7, and 6, and 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. All right, we have 20 left. All right, let's focus on our form. Okay. Woo! And 1, and 2, woo! 3, eyes on me, and 4, and 5, and 6. My eyes are you, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. All right, ready? Last 10. What do you do? Right here, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. You can do this, and 6, and 7, and 8. Hello. Oh, yes. And we're done. All right, give me a last look. Pull up your stance.